Alright, how's it going everyone? So today I just got a brand new packaging right here. Seems to be in focus, that's good. Today recording with the Lumix LX100 today. Now in this package I ordered a extension tubes by Viltrox, and mainly bought them because mainly bought this macro setup because after watching a review by Robin Wong, so shout out to Robin Wong, who has been trying out some extension tubes recently. And also because I've got quite a few other extension tubes, such as this Pentax version here on my Olympus EPM1 with an adapter and a Ricoh 50mm lens. But it would be nice to explore some Micro Four Thirds lenses like this 25mm 1.8, or even my 12-40 Pro lens, and just a few other lenses I'll be interested in using for macro. So I'll just unbox it. Let's get out of the packaging here. Bit of a tight parcel. There we are. Okay, let's see if that might adjust the aperture a little bit. There we go. So here's the extension tube, and most importantly, Micro Four Thirds. So that's something very, very crucial, because I don't want to accidentally unbox a Fuji or Sony Alpha or Sony E-mount adapter. Haven't really thought this through. There we go. Just gently do it with my nails. Probably not the best. There we go. Alright, let's see what we've got. So we have, what's this? Warranty card. We got, this looks like a, shows you the, so this is instructions on the magnification ratios, as there's two different adapters here, so two different parts of the extension tube. So you got a 10mm and a 16mm, and then just some basic maths there, like mathematics there, basic math, yeah. And in here, looks very straightforward, and that's pretty much everything else in there. So very, very straightforward. Also very affordable for 70 New Zealand dollars at rubbermonkey. So if you're in New Zealand, you want some interesting photo gear, I definitely recommend checking out rubbermonkey right there. So I'll just chuck that aside and see if we can unpack this, which shouldn't be too hard. And there we go. Yeah. So full on, so very plastic construction there, but the lens mount is good metal, and as well as that you also have these connection dockets or connection circuit just for the lens. One of my big concerns about some adapters and stuff like that is usually the connection between a lens and camera. Luckily enough, Viltrox has been developing a good reputation for just being a third-party lens manufacturer, so so far I haven't heard any negative things about Viltrox at this stage, but just something to be cautious about when purchasing, especially third-party adapters. Some third-party adapters can affect either the lens or the camera itself, so that's just something to be a bit wary about. But without further ado, ooh, little thing there, little sticker or something. Alright, so I'll test out, we'll use both of them. So very easy, just connect it on and then attach the lens on, like so. There we go. And let's hope if I switch it on, yep, seems to be okay. Haven't had no issues. No issues at this point, that's good. How about, I'll grab a tech deck here. Let's just test that out, eh? So I'm at very wide focal range. Might even change, so instead of going single autofocus, go to manual and just give that a try. A little bit harder to determine. Oh, that's actually really, really close, so right up to my finger. Yeah, so that's the well, that's pretty much the summary of the extension tube right here. You don't need to use both. You can also, say, remove one here, remove the lens, and just say use the 10mm, and hopefully, yep, still good. And oh, that's a little bit better. So 10mm. And I've set it on a delay timer. There we go. Yeah, it's not too bad. So yeah, very, very cool. So very awesome accessory to have if you're interested in getting into macro photography and just want to just explore around and have a bit of fun. Other than that, that's pretty much the unboxing for the Viltrox extension tubes. Yeah, Viltrox extension tubes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to check out some of my photos on a few of my websites, such as upic.com, my own website at www.patrickrose.co.nz. I'll be uploading quite a few macro photos as well as just any other photos I take in general. But yeah, be sure to check out these macro photos that I'll be uploading onto some of my platforms. And until then, I'll see you guys in a future video.